Bring your stop down to break even on this trade. We're not going to risk all the way back above that last high. Because this the character of this is changing now. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, you know, this looks like it's going to go up. We're finished. Okay, pay 41. 41 stop for a unit. We're going long here. We're going to pay 41 stop for 1 unit. I think we've just witnessed a fake out new low. And we're going to risk down to 27 on this trade. So let's try to get this in place. I think everybody who's been trying to play this lower is going to get stuck here. Whether or not we can get above 50 very easily, I don't know. Okay, we're long now. 1 unit at 41, so get a stop down below at the 27 area. Just 1 tick lower. We may need more than that. I don't know, but we'll deal with that as the time approaches. Yeah, okay, at 45. Okay. So we got out of that trade and reversed into a longer trade, and you know what? This is going up. It looks to me, feels like this is going up easier than it went down, and it is. Okay, yeah, I think we're on the right side of this finally after a few attempts. There we are. We're above a half. Great. This is good. Okay, we're going to look to add another unit now. Well, it may just be real quick. Yeah, yeah, above 50 at 55, above the last high at 55. Add a second unit, and unless this is just simply a shakeout spike to the upside, which it doesn't feel that way. If it's just a shakeout spike, then we'll be coming back down again. But anyway, bring your stop from 27. Bring your stop from 27 on up to 34. And we'll get that stop up closer to break even if we get filled on the second unit as quickly as we can, because this could, like I said, if it was just a shakeout move, then it could go down just as fast as it just went up, and we don't want to lose too much on this trade if it's only a shakeout. In fact, we'll need to be thinking in terms of flipping. Okay, we're filled on our second unit. Bring your stop, actually bump your stop up to the full amount, and bring it right up. Oh, good. We're making a little bit higher high here. Bring it on up to 40. And let's see. Great. Bring your stop up to 53. And add a third unit above the high. Just above the high, add a third unit. That's going to be, I guess, at 69. I was a little slow on that. Try to get the 69 trade. If you haven't gotten it, then, well, then I think go ahead and add it here. Just use a market order to get your third unit in place, and get your stop up to the when you're filled up to a third unit. And in fact, Bring your stop up to 61. Great. Great. This is really a pop here. All right. Bring your stop up to 73 now. You should have your stop in place for all 3 units and bring it all the way on up to 73. We don't want to let this come back and blow away all that we've just made on this. So you got 3 units in place. We're 20 plus ticks ahead on it. Good job for this. Let's see how it's just. Maybe we're going to go all the way up to 2 even. Maybe 82 even is the number for us. Having come kind of vertical like this, though, I'd expect us to see something of a. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get it right now. This is the largest decline we've had thus far on this move from the low. Actually, I guess it's about the size of the first one. Sorry about that. But we may just head right straight on up. The sideways congestion here bounded by this 80 level is awfully small for a move having taken place that's this big. But hey, you can do anything at once. Okay. The question is, do we tick lower here and then head back on up? Oops, no. We may get our stop hit here. Yeah, I'd be surprised if there wasn't more. But, well, I can do anything at once, obviously. Yeah, we are awfully close to this. But we've given it lots of room here, between here and the high, to continue. Looks like, okay, we just got stopped out at the 73 level. Well, good job. 3 units, a profit on all 3 units. Great trade. We got had a little choppiness there, but this makes it worthwhile having waited through it. Good job. Okay, let's keep focused. And what was that? A bunch of trades all at once, spike into a 1-tick low, immediately popping up before it, and now we're back up. So we should bounce up from here a little bit if we're going to go lower, and then drop on down. We may have just been shaken out of the trade. Wow. Well. It should halt right about here if it's going to go lower. In which case we'll try to sell the low. Oh no! Oops! The other way. It's going the other way. All right. If we break out above again, we're going into another leg up, and we want to be joining that. We got to have confirmation though, but and I don't see it yet, so we don't have an 88 trade. Yes, we do. Okay. Well. Yike, 90 trade. Pay 91 for 1 unit above the market, just above this last high. Put a stop in, buy 1 unit, pay 91, and immediately get a stop in below at 52, I guess it. No, better yet, make it 84. 84 right now. Get the sell stop in at 84 for 1 unit. And how about that? Whoa! Well, we're not okay. Not bad. That's good. Now let's get that stop up to break even right away. In fact, let's add a few ticks. Let's bring it up to 95, 81.95. Only 1 unit in place on this. It popped so fast we couldn't get anywhere with it. We want to make sure this is at least a break even plus a few ticks trade. That leg was very quick. We ended up being shaken out there at 73 before. I could have left the stop lower than that, but having brought it up, we did get the profit. And so what? We're back in. It's still a winning trade, and that's what we're after. It can't be perfect in these things. The timing of all this this has been changing so much on crude oil lately that it's it's a keep it simple operation. So we're leaving lots on the table, but fortunately there's lots there. We get to eat a number of times every day. Okay, a new high there. All right, I think we want to bring our stop up here. Let's see, 70. Bring it up to 06. Bring your 95 stop on the unit up to 8206. Oops, 8206. Should have been 05. I meant 05. Well, it's okay. Leave it at 06. We should pop up from here. If we go down from here, then we're going to be, we'll be stopped out, but that's okay. I think we'll probably be chopping sideways if we go below that, the 06 area down into the 05s. Great. So we're still alive, and it looks like we're going to take off again. New high. Yeah, well, this is 1 and 2 tick new highs, just like we saw before at the lows, and we're gonna, okay, we just got filled on that trade. So our 1 unit just got stopped out. Small profit, not bad. It's a profit. That's what we want. Good job. Great run up here. We got into the first leg with all 3 units. The second leg, we were only able to get 1 unit on, but that's okay because we know